All right, ladies, a very, very good evening to all of you. I hope you guys are doing good, and I would request all of you to start your videos. Great. I can see some lovely faces across the screen. A digital hi to everyone. Welcome to Forever Star India, and I hope you guys are doing great. And let's get started with fulfilling your dream and your journey of becoming a successful model in the coming times. So, all the best to everyone. Of course, kickstarting with the idea of how Forever Star India works, it's not just a beauty pageant. We are building a community of people, of women, of individuals who are like minded, talented, and passionate to create a unique identity for themselves. So, thank you for joining in. And of course, there is a lot that is awaiting you, a complete potential journey of growth, finding the best version of yourself through different variations and in different aspects. And of course, explaining the audition process, it's going to be in two steps. पहला step होगा आपका introduction, where I will be interacting with each one of you one on one, and that should be very crisp, short, and of course should primarily include some details about you, आपकी hobbies, and of course why you are here today, what brings you, to this platform, why do you want to win that crown of Miss or Mrs. India respectively. And last but not the least, we will be fulfilling and concluding on a happy note by starting your dream of becoming a model by watching 2 rounds of your ramp walk. So make sure you're prepared for that as well. So all the very best. And before I take, onto the introduction part, we have two very special ladies with us, our two FCR participants, Dhwani Waghela and Rakshita Agarwal. They have been into your shoes, they've gone through this journey, and they are very, the team takes immense pleasure, and we are very, very proud of these two women here, because I'm sure who better than the people who have gone through the same experience to relate with, to give out their experience with the FCR's platform. So I would request Dhwani to start with. Hi Dhwani, how are you?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Hi everyone. It's my great pleasure to come here and see the other fellow participants here as well who's gonna join us soon in this journey. Well, to be honest, my journey till now, not even once I felt like I was competing with others. It is more of like challenging and competing yourself to become a better version, like yourself at the end of this. As Harry just said, this is more than a beauty pageant. You get so much to learn from this. Like, I came with a blank canvas, sitting over there, knowing nothing about it, enrolled just because my mom told me to join here. And more than anything, it is coming over here and putting your best foot forward and coming out of your comfort zone and trying something that you always wanted, but could never do that because somewhere or not you feared of achieving those things that we actually wanted to. Maybe because of what people would think about you, what people would say. Maybe that's just your inner fear that you're telling yourself that, okay, this is not right. I'm not confident. FCR provides you the platform to come out of your comfort zone and they encourage you to do this. So that is why this is more than a beauty pageant. And we all are blessed to have top notch mentors over here. Each and every grooming session, you learn, you level up, and you develop more and more about yourself. 3 tips that I would like to give all of you, general tips. First one, respect each and every person on the team and make friends. All of over here, we are going to stay even after this pageant. So make friends, socialize. Second, and the most important is, don't make talent rounds monotonous. Add something that tells something about yourself, that shows the judges and leaves a mark about you. Okay, this person did something different, did something unique, and I remember this person. Try to do something like that which leaves a mark. And the third one is enjoy the journey and be confident. Don't let that fear show on your face. Let it be inside yourself. The more confident you are, the more it shows on your face. Like somewhere or not, I'm still nervous right now speaking like this, but I'm sure it does not show on my face because I'm sure that I can be confident and I have been through this. So all of you are beautiful and all of you are gonna succeed. Trust me, if you just try to come out of your comfort zone and believe in yourself. So all the best to all of you. I hope you have a wonderful time with FCR because I definitely had. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dhwani. Thank you so much. And now I would like Rakshita to take over.
So, am I audible?
Yes, Rakshita, go ahead.
Hi, everyone.
Rakshita, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, it's echoing a lot.
It's still echoing, Rakshita. You'll have to check the audio settings.
It's not going
Try
to
using
like...
some earphones or earpods. Maybe that might help.
Kirti ma'am, can I proceed?
Let's wait for a minute. Otherwise, Rakshita can take it up towards the end.
Okay. No, Rakshita, it's still the same. I don't think this is going to work. Maybe you can join in towards the end.
You can join in using some other device, Rakshita. This is the problem with your device. So try using some other phone or some other laptop if you have. Yeah?
No, ma'am.
All right, so moving forward, let's get to hear it from the ladies themselves. I would request everyone again to start their videos. Let us see your beautiful faces. I'm sure all of you are really excited and, you know, all set to kickstart your journey. So again, all the best. Re-emphasizing the audition process, it's going to be in 2 steps. The first being your introduction, keep it very crisp. Second being, of course, 2 rounds of your ramp walk. And you know, now of course mentioning it, who better than the director of Forever Star India, Miss Kirti Chaudhary? She is going to be the jury member for today, and she is the one who is going to sign out the audition reports that are being, you know, that will be sent to you via email or WhatsApp within 24 to 48 hours to emphasize and to appreciate the efforts that you will be putting in today. So, Kirti ma'am, over to you. Welcome on board.
Thank you so much, Harry, and a very good evening to my beautiful ladies appearing for today's audition of Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021. I can see some lovely faces in black across the screen. Yes, we almost have 23 to 24 candidates appearing for today's audition. So I would not take much of your time, but I just want to tell you that here we are today to know more about you. Right? So do not feel nervous at all. Take a deep breath and start talking about yourselves. You know, primarily, we would want to know, why are you here on this platform? Why do you want to participate in Forever Miss and Forever Mrs. India 2021? And what are your aspirations? What are you passionate about? Because, you know, when I talk about this community of Forever Star India, we have talented and skilled women from across the country. Right? So it is a community of talented women like you, but we just need to know that what are you really passionate about. Be very confident when you're talking about yourselves. Use any of these languages, English or Hindi, right? So any language does not define you. What I wish you to understand is that whether you interact in English or you interact in Hindi, You have to be unapologetically you. Express yourselves freely, talk about yourselves freely, keep your introduction very crisp, 2 rounds of your ramp walk, and try and maintain an angle through your phone or your laptop so that we can see you completely. I'm sure you understand, because ये आज आपके लिए बहुत बहुत important दिन है. आप एक बहुत ही बड़ी community का हिस्सा बनने जा रहे हो. So, pretty much I can see your virtual presence is fine. आपने सही angle choose किया है. लेकिन जैसे ही आप ramp walk करना start करेंगे, I would request each one of you to please check your screens. Yeah, we should be able to see you completely, your whole body, right? So all the best from my side, and yes, thank you.
Thank you, Kirti ma'am. I think Rakshita has joined back and she might be able to, speak up now. Rakshita, can you please unmute yourself?
Yeah, sure. So I hope I'm audible now, and a very good evening to all the ladies present here. And I would like to share a piece of my journey with Forever. It started a few months back, and I did not have an idea that I'll go this far. Be it the personality development that I've had, be it the amount of interactions that I've had with all the beautiful and inspiring ladies here, or the kind of confidence that I feel today. Because 6 months back, while registering, I did not think that I was this confident that I'll make it this far. And you do it all because of the motivation and the inspiration that you get on this platform. So each and every round has been so inspiring for me, be it the makeup round or the ramp walk round. I did not know from scratch how to do makeup or to do that ramp walk, but even virtually, this was carried forward so beautifully that I'm so glad I've been able to do it. Apart from that, yes, as Harry mentioned, this is a place where you're building a community. This is not just a beauty pageant. And that I realized when I personally get to meet so many women, be it for Miss India or Mrs. India, who have kids who are raising their families and who are also participating in this pageant. Isn't that passionate? Isn't that inspiring to see your fellow women doing so well? So yeah, this has been my motivation, and I hope that all of you get to explore this part of the pageant as well. So I am very glad that I can see you all here trying to follow your passion and trying to be here, put a foot forward to what you always wanted to achieve. And I would like all of you to put your best foot forward, because this is just the right place. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Rakshita. Thank you so much. And it was an absolute pleasure having you here today. Let's hear it from the ladies now. So I will be calling out on your names one-on-one. So please be patient with the entire process and please be proactive to your names. So let's hear it from Shelly. Hi, Shelly. How are you? The one who is logged in from an iPad, Shelly's iPad, it says. Can you please unmute yourself? Yeah.
Hi, good evening, ma'am.
Good
Am I audible to you?
Yes, you are. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good too. Can I please have an introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have logged in from my friend's iPad. That her name is Sherry. My name is Ridhima Chukral. I am from Delhi and west part of Delhi. That's called Janakpuri. Currently, I am makeup artist running a bridal studio, young entrepreneur of that by the name of Glam by Ridhima Chukral. And I've been worked as a cabin crew for good 12 to 13 years in a very renowned company. You must be knowing about the Z Airways. I have served there. Yes, now as far as my hobbies are concerned, I would like to interact more what my children wants to, and I enjoy the time fully with them. And this platform, what I got, being an air hostess, it was my glam life. Being a makeup artist, I am living that life glamly. But yes, I want to win this crown so that I can carry that glam forever. So this is my main motive for this.
Okay, wonderful, Ridhima. I love your clarity of thought and how you have, connected the dots with your existing background. And I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value and take away something very credible from here. Thank you so much. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Sure. Is that okay? Should I repeat?
Yes, Ridhima, it was perfectly fine. You could sit back comfortably now.
Thank you.
Good evening, Ridhima. How are you?
Good, ma'am. How are you?
Even I am good. See, you're looking lovely. Your attire is looking lovely, and you're wearing the perfect heels for today's audition. Because this happens a lot of times that you are appearing for an audition, but you are not so considerate about what you're wearing, what heels you're wearing. So this completely shows that you have been a cabin crew, and you're taking the process pretty much seriously, and your presentation skills are good, on point. But if I talk about your ramp walk, there's a little work that can be done. Specifically, if I talk about your posture, the first thing that needs to be kept in mind while you're doing a ramp walk is your posture, right? You have to maintain the perfect posture. Only then you start walking. Your walk was fine, but the posture was not that great. But as I say, this is a community, and we have a team of 150 plus experts here, which includes ramp walk experts also. They are going to train you for a time period of 2.5 months. So I'm sure the Ridhima who I'm seeing today will be 100 times improved and 100 times more groomed when I see her in the end of December. So from my side, you are totally in. Just wait for your audition reports, Ridhima. All the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ridhima. It was lovely hearing from you, and I'll get back to you in a while. Let's hear
Thank
it
you,
from
Hari.
the one with the username NVM. Can you please start your video and unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, can I please have your name?
Yeah, ma'am. अनम्यूट है मेरा. सुनाई दे रहा है? सुनाई दे रहा है मैम मेरा?
जी आप सुनाई दे रहे हो, बट आपका वीडियो ऑफ है. लाइक आपका वीडियो विजिबल नहीं है.
Just 2 minutes, ma'am. Just 2 minutes, please.
Okay, I'll move forward and then I'll get back to you. Let me know. Okay. So let's hear it from Minali. Hi, Minali. Minali, आप म्यूट पे हैं. Can you please unmute yourself? अपना माइक ऑन कीजिए. लेफ्ट पे होगा एक ऑप्शन माइक का.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Minali, you have a lovely smile. I have to compliment, and I hope you are doing good. I would love for you to start with the introduction.
मैम मेरा नाम संगीता है. ये मेरी बेटी का नाम है. और मैं चंडीगढ़ से हूँ. 47 मेरी एज है मैम. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, एक 23 साल का, एक 19 साल का, और हस्बैंड है. मेरे एक छोटा सा पार्लर है, उसको मैं कैरी करती हूँ. मुझे डांस का और सिंगिंग का बहुत शौक है मैम. मैं फैशन में निकलना चाहती हूँ, इसमें जाना चाहती हूँ, आगे बढ़ना चाहती हूँ.
Okay, wonderful. So आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं?
हाँ जी, यस मैम.
Wonderful, wonderful. So Sangeeta, you have like a beauty salon, या are you like running a fashion parlor?
हाँ जी.
आपका ब्यूटी सैलून है या आपका फैशन पार्लर है खुद का?
नहीं, ब्यूटी सैलून है मैम.
Okay, so are you interested in makeup also?
Oh yeah.
Great. Sangeeta, I would love for you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay. तभी देखना सही है.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Thank you. कैसे हो आप?
ठीक मैम.
You're looking lovely in black. आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो, and I'm in awe of the confidence that you're carrying. You're very confident.
Thank you मैम.
जब आप वॉक कर रहे थे, आपका वॉक भी अच्छा था, नो डाउट. थोड़ा बहुत तो काम कर ही लेंगे ना, ट्रेनर्स हैं वो तो करने के लिए. बट यू नो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू नो एनीवन वुड नोटिस अबाउट योर वॉक वाज योर कॉन्फिडेंस.
एक रिक्वेस्ट है, हिंदी में बोलेंगे आप प्लीज?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, मैं हिंदी में भी बात कर लूंगी संगीता आपके लिए.
सॉरी मैम, मैं बस मैं इनको हिंदी में ही बोल
नहीं नहीं, सॉरी बोलने की इसमें कोई जरूरत नहीं है. हिंदी हमारी मातृभाषा है, हिंदी में बात भी करनी आनी चाहिए और समझनी भी आनी चाहिए, तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. तो आपने अच्छा वॉक किया, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली किया. क्योंकि
थैंक यू
बहुत
मैम।
बार ऐसा होता है कि आपको टेक्निकलिटी पता होती है रैंप वॉक की, आप वॉक कर रहे हो, बिल्कुल सही कर रहे हो, कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते हो अंदर से. तो आपके साथ उल्टा है, आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो, चाहे रैंप वॉक थोड़ा इधर उधर हो रहा था, लेकिन कॉन्फिडेंस 100% है. राइट? तो अगर कॉन्फिडेंट आप होते हो तो कोई भी चीज आप सीख सकते हो.
हाँ जी मैम।
Yes, इसका मतलब आप capable हो. So you are capable of doing really, really well. All the best and just keep
Thank
waiting
you.
for your audition report.
थैंक यू मैम।
Wait for your audition report. Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta. Now let's hear it from जिनका नाम NBM था. I had a word with her. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, can I please have your name?
मेरा नाम अंजलि माचा है और मैं हाउसवाइफ हूँ. मैं साउथ इंडियन से हूँ एंड मेरा हॉबीज है डांसिंग एंड कुकिंग, राइटिंग.
Is the video stuck for you also, Kirti ma'am? Okay. Okay, so I guess I'll move forward. Anjali's video seems stuck. So the one with the username iPhone, can you please unmute yourself and start your video? Okay, so I guess I'll move forward to Pallavi. Hi Pallavi, how are you?
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. How are you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction?
Yes, sure. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Kirti, ma'am. My name is Pallavi Vijay Kale, and I belong from Mumbai. And I work in government sector, that is BMC, Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. It's in health department. I'm working in BMC from last 12 years, and it's been a very good journey in my BMC work. And from last 2 years, I'm working for COVID pandemic, and being here is a very much a great opportunity for me, because since childhood I wanted to be a model in the sense I wanted to do the photo shoot. I wanted to do the makeup and wear saris and all. That was my dream. And the basically, even my parents, my mother, she trust on me. She trusts me. She always used to say that you have that talent, you can go for it. Then right now it's been 7 years of my marriage. I'm a mother of a one child, and even my husband is also very much supportive. And so they all of them are supporting me to go forward for the Mrs. India round. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you so much. Can you please highlight your hobbies as well?
Yes, sure. Listening music is my hobby. Singing is my hobby. I'm reading books, and I used to work in the theaters in my college times, and even I work for the Rajya Natya Spardha. Even and I love swimming also. These
Okay,
are my
sounds
hobbies, I
good.
guess.
I love the honesty that you've had in your vibe. You know, it shows how vulnerably transparent you are. And I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Ma'am, will you please give me 2 seconds?
Yeah, sure.
I have a kid aside. I'm just coming in 2 seconds. Thank
Sure.
you.
Hello?
Yes, Pallavi, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Go ahead.
Thank you. I'm done. I'm done.
Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you so much. आपका walk casual था, but I'm sure the trainers are going to train you in the finest way possible. We are just looking for talented people and the ones who are really passionate. So thank you so much, and I will move forward and get back to you in a while.
It was my first walk actually.
No problem. I can see that, but I'm sure there is no looking back from here. You're going to add and learn a lot. Thank you, Pallavi.
Thank you so
I will
much.
get
Thank
back
you.
to you in a while. Let's hear it from Princess Suhu. Hi, Princess Suhu. Can I please have your name?
Hello, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. आपका नाम जान सकती हूँ, please?
Yes, ma'am, sure. My name is Suhasini Sharma and I'm from Kolkata, the city of joy. Hello?
Suhasini, right? आपने सुहासिनी बोला अपना नाम?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so your video is
Suhasini
getting
Sharma.
stuck. I think आपका audition, आपका network बहुत weak है. आपका video रुक रहा है.
I'm extremely sorry, ma'am.
No, you
But
don't.
there
Sorry,
is no
I can
chance.
hear you. I can hear you. Don't worry. Go ahead. You can start with the introduction.
Yeah, ma'am. As you know, my name is Suhasini Sharma and I'm from Kolkata. I'm doing a job in a private sector and my hobby is listening to music. मुझे गाना गाना भी बहुत पसंद है और साथ ही मुझे ट्रैवलिंग भी बहुत पसंद है। और जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि म्यूजिक पसंद है तो मैं हमेशा से म्यूजिक
Okay, I think network is not very friendly for us today. Even she got disconnected. Let's see. So Hasini, can you hear me now? आप disconnect हो गए थे. आपका network काफी weak लग रहा है मुझे.
again. Am I audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, you're audible, but आपका network काफी weak है because your video is completely stuck. Okay, let's complete Anjali's, part. Anjali, आपने अपनी hobbies बता दी थी, but we are still left with why you are here today. Why do you want to participate and why do you want to be here?
मेरा hobbies है cooking and writing, dancing. मैं सुबह भी करती हूँ और मैं फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया में इसलिए आना चाहती हूँ कि घर पे तो एक्टिविटीज बहुत सारे होते हैं बट मुझे बाहर भी कुछ एक्टिविटीज करना है, कुछ जानना है और आगे बढ़ना है। फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया जो मैरिड वुमेन्स को भी एक मंच दे रहा है तो मैं भी यूज करना चाहती हूँ एंड मुझे भी आगे बढ़ना है। That's it, ma'am.
Wonderful, wonderful, Anjali. It was lovely hearing that you want to move forward and you want to explore more despite age just being a number, and that perfectly defines it. I would request you to start with your rap walk.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Anjali. Thank you so much. You are pretty well dressed for today's audition, and that shows. And I'm sure for the ramp walk, the experts are going to take over with the expertise. Thank you. All right,
Thank you,
let's
ma'am.
hear it from the username Redmi. जिनका username Redmi है. Can you please unmute yourself? आप म्यूट पे हैं, प्लीज अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए. लेफ्ट पे साइन होगा माइक का. Hi, how are you? I can't hear you. I think there is some issue. Can you try with your earphones or something? Because मैं आपको सुन नहीं पा रही हूँ.
Hello,
Hi, can I please have your name?
my name is Kashish from Delhi itself.
So Kashish, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi Kashish, how are you?
I'm good, and you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Please start with your introduction.
My name is Kashish from Delhi itself. I'm doing MBA in fashion designing, and I'm freelancer model, and I love modeling. So, thank you. That's it.
Okay, so you want to become a model, or do you also see yourself becoming an actor in the coming future?
I think I love modeling and acting both.
Both. Okay. And is there anything else apart from modeling that you enjoy? Any hobby that you pursue?
I'm very creative person. I love create dresses and all, and fashions. I'm freelancer model also.
Okay, okay. So wonderful, Kashish. I would request you to start with your ramp walk.
Okay, ma'am. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Done.
Great. It was, lovely to see you perform, and it shows that you are into modeling because your walk was pretty precise. But I'm sure the experts are going to polish it. And all the best, Kashish. It was lovely hearing from you. I'll get back to you in a while. Yes, to Hasni, why are you disappointed? It's okay. It's just the network happens. Digital है कुछ भी हो जाता है आज के time पे. Even our network gets really problematic sometimes.
Ma'am, I was excited, कि मुझे ऑडिशन देना है एंड अभी इतनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही है, स्पेशली नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम. देन आई रियली मतलब क्या बताऊं.
नहीं नहीं, इतना टेंशन नहीं लेते. सब कुछ वर्चुअल है. हमारा भी नेटवर्क कभी कभी बहुत फ्लक्चुएट करता है. दिस इज समथिंग दैट इज नॉट इन आवर हैंड, राइट? I think now I can hear you properly, and I would like you to continue with why you are here today. आप इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे क्यों और क्या सपना लेके आई हैं?
एक्चुअली मैम मुझे नई नई चीजें सीखना करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है, इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि जब मुझे सिंगिंग पसंद है और ये भी काइंड ऑफ एक ही इंडस्ट्री है, सो व्हाई नॉट, एक बार करना तो बनता है इस इंडस्ट्री में भी.
Great, great. I love the honesty there that you are here just to explore, a better version of yourself. And okay, I think the network is good enough. So let's start with your ramp walk, Suhasini.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, give me just 2 minutes.
Sure. So Hasini, is it going to take longer now? Okay, you can start.
Ma'am, is that okay or should I try once?
Yeah, that was okay. So Hasini, how are you? अब कैसा feel हो रहा है ramp walk करके?
बहुत अच्छा. I feel bad.
Okay, चलो. Finally, and your video is again getting stuck. बहुत अच्छा हुआ कि आपका ramp walk हो गया, introduction भी हो चुका है. But let me just tell you, you know, this is a part and parcel. Virtually जब सब कुछ होता है तो छोटी-मोटी problems आती रहती है. So you cannot get disappointed so easily. है ना, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर आप फिनाले में आते हो, आप विनर बन जाते हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप कौन सी सिटी से हो?
Sorry, ma'am.
You are from which city? कौन सी सिटी से हैं आप?
Oh, I'm from Kolkata, ma'am.
You're from Kolkata. For instance, आप कोलकाता से सिटी विनर बन जाती हैं, Forever Miss India Kolkata, and all the way you're coming to Jaipur, Rajasthan at Hotel Marriott for the grand finale. And you know, you will have to be you know, very patient with the whole process. है ना, बहुत problems आएंगी. आप heels में walk करोगे, you'll fall down. You know, a lot of disappointing things are going to happen. But you have to stay positive all the time, right?
Yes,
so that optimism is extremely necessary wherever you go in life. ठीक है, तो इतना जल्दी disappoint नहीं होना है. But your introduction was fine. Ramp walk आपने थोड़ा सा casually किया. काफी improvement हम कर सकते हैं अभी ramp walk में. But as I always say, we have a team of trainers.
Ma'am, this is my first time.
Of course. See, I can understand. A lot of you are doing your ramp walk for the first time, right? But थोड़ा सा at least हमें ऐसे show करना होता है कि हाँ, ramp walk मैं कर रही हूँ, मेरे लिए important है ramp walk करना, right? आप बिल्कुल casually नहीं walk कर सकते हो. Yeah, because you have seen people doing. आपने किया नहीं है, लेकिन आपने देखा होगा, आपने कोई videos देखी होंगी models की walk करते हुए, right? So on that basis, थोड़ा सा और efforts हम भी डाल सकते हैं, right? While you're walking, while you're turning, while you're posing, each and everything matters. सबसे पहले आपका posture matter करता है, right? आपका posture जब perfect होता है, then you start walking. So there's a slight crisscrossing, how you're moving your hands. So each छोटी details होती हैं, which gradually the team will train you. Don't worry about it. So just wait for your audition reports. All the best.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks to all of you.
Thank you, Suhasini. Thank you so much. So
Thank you for being with me, ma'am, and supporting me.
No worries. This is your journey. We got to be supporting you guys because eventually that is how we're going to find our winners, right? So it works mutually. Thank you. And let's hear it from Muskan next, who has been really impatient, I guess. Hi, Muskan. How are you?
Should I leave?
No, Suhasini, we'll be winding up about the platform. So just wait for a while and then you can leave once we're
Okay,
done.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. I'm here.
Hi, Muskan. कैसी हैं आप?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम.
Okay, मुझे पता है आपका audition नहीं हुआ है. You don't have to worry. There are so many people pending yet, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Muskan, tell me more about yourself.
मेरा नाम मुस्कान कुमारी है. मैं रांची में रहती हूँ. My hobbies है singing और ये मुझे मेरा सपना था. मैं try करना चाहती थी कि और मैं फर्स्ट टाइम ये कर रही हूँ, मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ।
ओके, सो उसके अलावा मुस्कान, व्हाई आर यू हियर, व्हाई डू यू वांट टू विन द क्राउन? आप ये क्राउन क्यों जीतना चाहती हैं?
मैं मतलब कि मेरा एक सपना है कि हाँ मैं भी कुछ करूँ।
ओके, वंडरफुल। तो आप एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं या आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं?
मैं मॉडल बनना चाहती हूँ।
ठीक है, वंडरफुल। सो मुस्कान, आपकी रैंप वॉक के साथ शुरू करें?
ओके मैम।
ग्रेट।
मैं शुरू करूँ मैम?
Yes, yes, you can start. थैंक यू मुस्कान। इतना वेट करने के बाद इतना छोटा सा वॉक क्यों? You were so excited, मैम मेरा ऑडिशन नहीं हुआ है, मैम मेरा ऑडिशन नहीं हुआ है, अभी आपने इतनी जल्दी वाइंड अप कर दिया। एक और राउंड कर दीजिए प्लीज।
ओके मैम।
थैंक यू मुस्कान, आप बहुत ही प्यारी लग रही हैं। यू आर वेयरिंग द राइट ड्रेस। आई डोंट नो आप इतनी नर्वस और इतनी टेंशन में क्यों ऐसी। अभी आपकी स्माइल आई, यू लुक सो मच बेटर. So I'm sure, with time we're going to learn a lot of things. Try building up some confidence. It should reflect. And कभी भी आप किसी टीम या किसी ऐसे पार्ट में you enter जहाँ पे there is a group thing going on, always be a little more patient. Okay? All the best, and I'm really looking forward. अब मैं आपको म्यूट कर रही हूँ. Do not end up unmuting yourself because आप पहले कर रहे थे तो क्या होता है, कोई और बोलता है तो स्पीकर व्यू फ्लक्चुएट हो जाता है. ठीक है?
Okay.
Let's hear from Kanchan. Hi Kanchan, how are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. Can I please have your introduction?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Hello, everyone, and a very good evening. My name is Kanchan Sharma, and I'm 20 plus. I belong to a very small town of UP Muzaffarnagar, but I'm currently doing my medical studies from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. And I'm sort of a creative person, and I love to dance and sing. And I also love fashion, and that is why I have YouTube channel as well, struggling YouTube channel. And yeah, I love to do walking on ramp gives me like instant adrenaline rush, and that is why I am here. And I've done quite a few pageant shows as well, and doing freelance modeling right now. And I've been like looking forward to participate in kind of a bigger pageant show, and that is why I'm here. So yeah, hoping for a good result, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Kanchan. Your presentation does spark a little idea that you have been into pageant shows, because the confidence and the kind of prep you've done is very appropriate, and I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value. I would request you to start with your ramp work.
Yeah, just a minute, ma'am. I'm actually living in a hostel, so I'll have to make some adjustment. I should be visible like completely, okay? थोड़ा लो एंगल से कर देना. पूरा दिख रही हूँ? ठीक है. Thank you so much for helping. Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Thank you, Kanchan. Indeed, like I mentioned, we could also have been into pageants, and I'm sure it's going to be getting more polished while you enter the grand finale. Thank you. And
Thank you.
all right, of course, for others to avoid the impatience and to crack the monotony here, we will be talking about the platform in detail, ताकि जिनका हो गया है वो wind up कर सके, and जिनका pending है they can also get more idea, ताकि it goes on and doesn't get very boring for everyone around. So first of all, congratulations to who all have completed. This is your first step into the journey of Forever Star India, and it was incredibly, an absolute pleasure meeting all of you, and I'm really looking forward to the ones who are pending. Also, jinka nahi hua hai, please don't be impatient or do not get confused. We are going to talk to you as well, but ये इसलिए किया जा रहा है ताकि it doesn't get boring for everyone. जैसे आप लोगों ने हमें अपने बारे में बताया, we will be talking about the platform in detail. So now, of course, once you complete your audition, you will be receiving an audition report. Now, why an audition report? Because I'm sure, अगर आपको कुछ भी pageantry के बारे में idea है, usually after an audition, you are given a yes or a no. There are no audition reports sent out. But why an audition report is something that is very important and very unique for us is because I'm sure at Subab Uthe, you prepared yourself mentally, physically, you gathered out the right clothes, you put on some makeup, and there goes your effort. It takes a lot of confidence, courage to talk to an absolute stranger. किसी एकदम नए इंसान के साथ अपने बारे में बात करने में बहुत हिम्मत और हौसला लगता है. And to appreciate that, हम एक audition report send across करेंगे via email or WhatsApp to ensure, and it will be sent to all of you. So वो audition report आपके पास आएगी, no matter आप select होते हैं या नहीं होते हैं, because in both cases you need to know where you stand. Even if you are not selected, you need to know आपके weak points क्या हैं ताकि आप उन पे improve कर पाएं. And if you get selected, even then you need to know, because to start a journey, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके high points क्या हैं और आपके weak points क्या हैं, right? So on the same lines, it is going to be a very, very transparent from the scratch, and it will be acting like a certificate जो कि valid होगा पूरे lifetime के लिए. यानी कि ये ऑडिशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको फॉरएवर स्टार इंडिया का कोई भी ऑडिशन फॉर दी पैजेंट्स अपकमिंग सीजंस दोबारा नहीं देना पड़ेगा. And of course, it's going to be a good memory that you auditioned for this beautiful, journey of yours. And of course, after you get selected, you become a part of our community that we proudly call of women who are like-minded, passionate, and talented, irrespective of their age, their size, their shape. Because I'm sure अब तक आप लोगों ने इतना realize कर लिया होगा that the platform is very inclusive. अगर usually एक model height को standard में देखा जाए तो it's usually 5'5", 5'6", जो अब तक के regular pageants में रहा है. But we have kept it minimum 5, and even the weight criteria, shape criteria is nothing that needs to be bothered about, because your individual talent needs to speak about yourself. And of course, there is one more thing that you must have realized by now कि आप लोग एक दूसरे से बहुत अलग हो, but एक चीज जो आप सब में बहुत common है, that is that intention, that passion to create a unique identity for yourself. अपनी एक अलग पहचान बनाना. जरिया अलग अलग हो सकता है, किसी के लिए मॉडलिंग, किसी के लिए एक्टिंग, किसी के लिए it's out and out makeup for that matter. But the final concentration and the final conclusion is मुझे लोग मेरे नाम से जाने, मेरी फैमिली को लोग मेरे नाम से जाने, and I want to explore more. So you are on a completely right space, because that is what exactly we are looking for. And once you become a part of our community, you become a participant, you receive a lifetime membership, which basically means कि आपको इस platform से generate हुए हर opportunity का direct access मिलेगा. So for example, next year we are launching our own OTT platform. So I'm sure everybody must be aware of Hotstar, Amazon, Netflix. These have been our surviving kits throughout the COVID times. So imagine getting a call for acting, playback singing, or choreography, or anything of that sort directly from a safer space where you have already associated yourself to. Because let's be honest, it's very difficult for women to find safe spaces in the glamour world, because सबसे पहला thought जो हमें strike करता है वो ये है कहीं ये fake तो नहीं है, because हमारे details जा रहे हैं, right? We cross check everything twice, thrice for that matter. So this is the kind of association we intend to build, and of course to tick off your intention to create a unique identity. जैसे ही आपकी profile हमारी website पे हमारी community में register होती है, your name gets onto a top Google ranking. So for example, if after getting selected, Sangeeta, Pallavi, Anjali, Kanchan, you guys Google search your name, the moment you will search it, your profile as an FCR participant will pop up right on the top, you know, creating a very, very unique mark for yourself. Because I'm sure Google pe apna naam sabse top pe pana is something that you all will, you know, always dreamt of for that matter. So that is the kind of, you know, space we are building, and all of you will be receiving it along with numerous opportunities and benefits like a unique hard copy certificate, a sash of your own, and so many other things. And now, of course, who better than the director of Forever Star India to talk about the platform in even more detail, because she has been, like I mentioned, nurturing this project like a baby, and she knows it all. And let's hear it from her mouth directly. Over to you, Kirti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harry, and congratulations to all of you who have completed your audition successfully today. I won't take much of your time, okay? But I, just want you to understand, because अच्छा मैं अपना पूरा conversation हिंदी में रखूंगी ताकि संगीता जी को बिल्कुल भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो. एक चीज आपको समझ में आनी चाहिए, वो मेरे लिए ज्यादा जरूरी है. तो जैसा कि अभी हैरी ने बताया कि ये हम एक कम्युनिटी बिल्ड कर रहे हैं, है ना. हम ब्यूटी पैजेंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. ब्यूटी पैजेंट तो सिर्फ एक जरिया है ताकि आप लोगों तक हम पहुंच पाए और आप एक दूसरे को जान पाए. तो इतना ये जो टैलेंट हमारी कंट्री में, स्पेसिफिकली अगर मैं विमेन की बात करूं तो अभी आपने देखा होगा रिद्धिमा, इज शी हियर? ओके, so look at her, she's so lovely, she's so good looking. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दिया. But each one of us, हम बहुत सारे challenges face करते हैं डे टू डे लाइफ में as a woman, right? As a woman बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो हमें मैनेज करनी होती है. आप अपने बेबीज को भी मैनेज करते हो, like रिद्धिमा was doing it, लेकिन she was here, right? Her video was on, क्योंकि उनके लिए ये important है. उन्हें अपना पैशन भी मैनेज करना है, आपको अपना काम भी मैनेज करना है जो आप प्रोफेशनली करते हैं, आपको अपना घर, अपनी फैमिली, अपने बच्चे, हमें सब कुछ मैनेज करना होता है. सो वी आर सच ग्रेट मल्टीटास्कर्स, और ये सुपर पावर्स और किसी के पास नहीं होती है, ये सिर्फ हमारे पास होती है. ओनली वी कैन डू इट, राइट? गॉड हैज मेड अस लाइक दैट. सो व्हाई नॉट एक्सप्लोर इट टू द फुलेस्ट? चाहे कोई भी आपकी एज हो, हमारा कोई भी कलर हो, हमारा कोई भी साइज हो, हमारे कैसे भी बाल हो, इट डज नॉट मैटर. What matters is that what do we really want to do? हम किस चीज के लिए सबसे ज्यादा पैशनेट हैं, राइट? तो इसी के लिए कम्युनिटी हमने बनाई है. जो भी आपके ड्रीम्स आप पहले नहीं पूरे कर पाए, या एज अ यंगस्टर राइट नाउ यू वांट टू मेक अ डिफरेंस, आप खुद का एक मॉडलिंग में बैकग्राउंड बनाना चाहते हैं, या आपको एक्टिंग की अपॉर्चुनिटीज चाहिए, यू आर अ सिंगर, यू वांट टू बी अ प्रोफेशनल सिंगर, यू वांट टू बी अ कोरियोग्राफर, तो आपकी तरफ से सिर्फ efforts चाहिए हमें, right? We are giving you this wholesale platform. इस प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू हमारे पास 150 प्लस एक्सपर्ट्स की टीम है, जिसमें रैंप वॉक एक्सपर्ट्स हैं. जब मैं आपको बार बार बोल रही थी कोई बात नहीं, रैंप वॉक तो सीख सकते हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस जरूरी है, क्योंकि हमारे पास जो अक्लेम्ड रैंप वॉक ट्रेनर्स हैं, पैजेंट ग्रूमर्स हैं, मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स हैं, इमेज कंसल्टेंट्स हैं. तो आपकी वीक में 1 या 2 बार ट्रेनिंग एंड ग्रूमिंग सेशंस होंगे. जैसे ही आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आती है, आपका सिलेक्शन क्लियर होता है, तो आप अपना पार्टिसिपेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करेंगे, देन यू विल बी एन ऑफिशियल पार्टिसिपेंट ऑफ फॉरएवर मिस एंड मिसेस इंडिया. उसके बाद हम इंस्टेंटली आपकी ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट कर देंगे. कहीं नहीं जाना है आपको, कहीं ट्रैवल नहीं करना है. जैसे कि आप अभी इस स्क्रीन के सामने बैठ के अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे रहे हैं, अपना रैंप वॉक आपने किया, उसी तरीके से हम पूरा प्रोसेस वर्चुअली करने वाले हैं. ठीक है, आपको ट्रेन एंड ग्रूम वर्चुअली किया जाएगा. बट जब आप सिटी विनर बनते हैं या स्टेट विनर बनते हैं, तो आपकी क्राउनिंग ऑफलाइन होगी. आई मीन वर्चुअली कौन क्राउन पहनना चाहता है, राइट? तो आपको क्राउन पहनाने के लिए हमने एक बहुत बड़ा इवेंट किया है, जो कि दिसंबर में होगा. इट हैपेंस इन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल सिटीज ऑफ द कंट्री, जयपुर, एंड इट विल हैपन एट होटल मैरियट. वहां पे सारे विनर्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. वी हैव फैशन डिजाइनर्स, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, and they are going to doll you up so beautifully. You're going to wear those beautiful couture gowns, and those you will be dolled up so beautifully by the makeup artists. 4 दिन का इवेंट होगा. Now why am I telling this to you? So that you have an idea कि अभी कोविड की सिचुएशन हमें नहीं अलाउ करती, इसीलिए हम प्रोसेस वर्चुअली कर रहे हैं. लेकिन फिनाले जो दिसंबर में होगा 17 to 20th ऑफ दिसंबर, वो एक ऑफलाइन इवेंट होगा, जो कि सारे मीडिया हाउसेस हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री, वो सारे उस इवेंट को कवर करेंगे. What after that? आपकी ट्रेनिंग हो गई, आपके टैलेंट राउंड्स हो गए, आप फिनाले के लिए भी आ गए, वहां पे आपकी ब्रांड कोलैबोरेशंस होंगी, आपकी पोर्टफोलियो शूट, कैटलॉग शूट, बहुत सारी चीजें होने वाली है. इट्स गोइंग टू बी एन एक्साइटिंग जर्नी अहेड. एज आई कीप सेइंग अगेन एंड अगेन कि आपकी तरफ से सिर्फ आपका टाइम और एफर्ट्स हमें चाहिए. Now we will make sure that how we get you to the best version of yourself. After that also, अगर आप capable हैं, तो आपको भी नहीं पता कि आपको कब आपका फर्स्ट ब्रेक मिल जाएगा एज एन एक्टर, एज अ कोरियोग्राफर, एज अ सिंगर, एज अ स्क्रिप्ट राइटर, बिकॉज हम अपना खुद का OTT प्लेटफॉर्म लॉन्च करेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो अगर ट्रेनिंग्स में आपके एफर्ट्स होते हैं और बहुत अच्छा आउटपुट आता है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम आपके साथ ऑफिशियल ट्रेनर की तरह भी कोलैबोरेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि अभी हमारे पास 150 प्लस ट्रेनर्स हैं. सो यू नेवर नो, नेक्स्ट ईयर आप भी ट्रेन कर रही हो मिस एंड मिसेस इंडिया के पार्टिसिपेंट्स को. ये सिर्फ एक आपको आइडिया देने के लिए है कि अपॉर्चुनिटीज का यहाँ पे कोई डर्थ नहीं है, कोई कमी नहीं है, राइट? बट वी एज वुमेन, we need to be aware of our superpowers, of our own strengths. And most importantly, I would want you to take a screenshot of the chat box. Harry ने अभी Facebook, Instagram and YouTube के जो हमारे links हैं वो share किए हैं. It's extremely important कि आप किसी भी community का हिस्सा बनने से पहले एक thorough research करें, डिटेल में देखें कि कौन से ट्रेनर्स हैं, कैसे ट्रेनिंग हो रही है, वर्चुअली कैसे होती है ट्रेनिंग. तो YouTube पे जाइए, we are uploading everything there. Each and every training session, each and every talent round, we are uploading there. तो वहां पे आप जाके थोड़ा सा रिसर्च कीजिए जब तक आपके पास ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट नहीं आती है. ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट आने के बाद आप प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करेंगे. हाउ डू यू कंप्लीट द प्रोसेस? देयर इज अ मिनिमल फी ऑफ 4,000 रुपीज प्लस GST, जिससे कि आप ये लाइफ टाइम मेंबरशिप, आपकी ट्रेनिंग एंड ग्रूमिंग सेशंस एंड ऑल ऑफ द अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हियर, वो अवेल कर सकते हैं. बट दैट कम्स आफ्टर द ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट. ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट जब आपके पास आ जाएगी, आप सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद आप अपना पार्टिसिपेशन प्रोसेस कंप्लीट करेंगे. सो आई गेस आई हैव मेड माय सेल्फ क्लियर. टू मच ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एक बार में, बट प्रोसेस दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. कुछ भी अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आया है, एनीथिंग दैट यू वुड वांट टू आस्क, एनी क्वेरी दैट यू हैव, प्लीज फील फ्री टू आस्क अस एनी क्वेश्चंस.
All right, I guess we are sorted. I can see some lovely and sorted faces across the screen. So jinka audition ho gaya hai, thank you so much for your time today. It was lovely hearing from each one of you, and I'm really looking forward to see you guys in the training sessions. You guys can of course leave the meeting and I shall proceed. Let's hear it from Shipra. Hi Shipra, I am so sorry कि आपका phone का battery exhaust हो रहा था, but we had to complete this. आप please अपने आप को unmute कर लीजिए.
हेलो मैम.
हाय, कैसी हैं आप?
मैम फाइन.
ओके, प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
जी मैम, मैं हरदोई से हूँ, यूपी उत्तर प्रदेश से हूँ. तो मैम मैंने तो मेरी हॉबी जैसे कि है, मुझे एक्टिंग और सिंगिंग बहुत पसंद है. उसके अलावा मैंने पार्लर का कोर्स भी किया हुआ है, बट कर तो लिया है, पर मेरे घर में ना अलाउ नहीं है बाहर जाना, इसलिए ये ऑनलाइन है, इसलिए मैं घर से ये कर रही हूँ.
ओके, सो अब मुझे ये बताइए शिप्रा कि आपका सपना क्या है इस प्लेटफॉर्म के साथ? आप मॉडल बनना चाहती हैं या एक्टर बनना चाहती हैं?
मैम एक्टर.
ओके, सो यू वांट टू बिकम एन एक्टर. तो आपकी रैम वॉक के साथ शुरू करें?
जी मैम, बिल्कुल. उस टाइम मैम देर हो गई थी.
नो इश्यूज शिप्रा, कोई बात नहीं. अंजलि, मुस्कान, आप लोग मीटिंग छोड़ सकते हो. यू गाइस कैन लीव द मीटिंग. थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम.
मैम रेडी करें?
यस यस शिप्रा, गो अहेड.
थैंक यू.
थैंक यू शिप्रा.
जी मैम, थैंक यू.
ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके एंड आई एम रियली लुकिंग
मैम
फॉरवर्ड.
थोड़ी जगह की इश्यूज है, क्योंकि कमरा जो है एकदम थोड़ा छोटा है.
नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप ऑल द बेस्ट एंड लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सी यू इन द ट्रेनिंग सेशंस.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay, let's hear it from Suruchi. Hi Suruchi.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you're
Hello.
audible.
Fine. What about you?
I am good too. Thank you for asking. शिप्रा, आप मीटिंग छोड़ सकते हैं. हमने पूरा पार्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया है. Your audition is done. Okay. Okay, Suruchi, can we please have your introduction?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm a psychologist and young scientist, public health researcher, and writer and solo traveler. Recently awarded as the most influential woman of the year 2020. So I can share like around evening this year.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's a great acknowledgement, Suruchi. Now tell me more about your hobbies and, of course, why do you want to join this platform?
Actually, ma'am, it was like my dream earlier, and now I want to explore this field and got opportunity in the last January to be a beauty pageant and related to like and do more in this field. You all look beautiful and all like compliments and all. That's why. And traveling is my hobby. Writing, reading, and research. It's my hobby.
Okay, wonderful. Can you please have a ramp walk?
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Suruchi.
Just hold on. Ma'am, actually, room size very small.
No issues. आप ramp walk कीजिए. That is not an
नीचे पैर नीचे करो नीचे से मतलब बैक बैक नीचे लेके नीचे पैर इस हाथ से सुनो Hello. Ma'am, I have to shift this angle actually. Yes, no. Hello.
Yes, Suruchi, thank you so much. आपका ramp walk काफी average था, but I'm sure the experts are going to take over and थोड़ा बहुत आपकी presentation पे भी हम लोग काम कर सकते हैं. So with time, everything is going to be taken care of. Thank you for your time today and have a lovely evening ahead. Goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Babita. From you. How are you? बबीता आप म्यूट पे हैं.
हेलो मैम.
कैसी हैं आप? How are you?
हेलो. आप सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे?
जी मैं सुन पा रही हूँ, बट आपका वीडियो अटका हुआ है.
हेलो मैम.
Your network is buffering a lot.
हेलो मैम.
बबीता जी मैं आपको सुन पा रही हूँ, आपका वीडियो लेकिन बहुत फ्लक्चुएट हो रहा है बिकॉज आपका नेटवर्क वीक है. सो नाउ टेल मी हाउ आर यू?
मैं ठीक हूँ मैम, आप कैसे हो?
बढ़िया, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया पूछने के लिए. अब प्लीज अपने बारे में कुछ बताइए.
मैम मेरी एज 40 ईयर है, मेरे 3 बच्चे हैं. मैं पहले से फैशन डिजाइनिंग कर रही थी, बट उस टाइम मेरी मैरिज हो गई थी. देन मुझे उसके बाद घर संभालने में लगी, भूल गई अपनी दुनिया. देन मेरी बेटी ने मुझे पुश किया है कि आप कुछ करो, देन उसने मेरे लिए ये सिलेक्शन किया है और मुझे सेलेक्ट करके दिया है कि आप जाओ और कुछ करो, अपनी कुछ पहचान बनाओ, देन मैं यहाँ हूँ।
Wonderful. I love the honesty here, Babita. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने बहुत transparently ये चीज put across करी है. And thank you. I would request you to start with your rap walk.
थैंक यू मैम, एक सेकंड मैं एडजस्ट कर लूँ.
Yes, yes, sure.
ओके मैम.
Thank you, Babita जी. आप love the way you are dressed up. आपका dress बिल्कुल appropriate है और आपका work भी काफी confident था. I'm sure you're going to add a lot of value and learn a lot. Thank you so much. अपना I shall see you in the training sessions. Wait for your audition report, okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's hear it from Pratiksha Ambre.
Hello.
Hi, Pratiksha.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Ma'am, आप तो बहुत प्यारे लग रहे हो. First of all, बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लग रहे हो आप.
Thank you so much. Okay, अब आपके बारे में जानते हैं. Tell me more about yourself.
मैम मैं अभी BA फाइनल ईयर कर रही हूँ. मैं आई एम 21 ईयर ओल्ड और मुझे मतलब डांसिंग वगैरह अच्छा लगता है. ये सब फील्ड वगैरह बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Okay, तो आपको डांसिंग के अलावा भी आपकी कोई और हॉबी है?
एक्टिंग.
ठीक है. प्लेटफॉर्म पे एक्टर बनने के लिए आए हो या मॉडल बनने के लिए?
एक्टिंग बहुत पसंद है. एक्टर.
Okay, wonderful Pratiksha. I love the honesty and चलिए अब आपके रैप वॉक के साथ शुरू करते हैं.
Okay, ma'am. Just 2 minutes.
Sure. बबीता जी आपका ऑडिशन कंप्लीट है. थैंक यू. अपने ऑडिशन रिपोर्ट का वेट कीजिए एंड यू कैन हैव अ लवली इवनिंग. बाय बाय.